Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find either passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you. I prefer to use this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the accounts which we've previously added. I've got my Google account, so let me first of all show you how to remove it. So let's simply tap on it, tap on remove account, and tap on remove account again. Confirm it with OK, and confirm it with your screen lock or any other lock you've got. I'll show you how to do it again later on after adding the account. So let's add it. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here we have to again confirm everything with your screen lock. So there's a lot of security going here. So in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on it so it will be quicker. Let's tap on next after that. And right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can simply tap on it to read everything and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And again, if you want to remove it, nothing easier, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Follow all of these steps, so remove account, confirm it, again use your pattern PIN or password, and the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.